Today, we're diving into something dangerously addictive: chicken wings that are so juicy, so flavorful, you'll find yourself reaching for just one more, and then another. Don't say I didn't warn you. Let's get started. First things first, the wings. Take those beauties and trim off the little tip that never really makes it to the party. Then cut each one neatly at the joint so you end up with perfect little halves. Give them a good wash, pat them completely dry with a kitchen towel, and pop them into a bowl. Now this is where the magic begins. We're building a flavor coat. In a separate bowl, gather 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and just a touch, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. If spice isn't your love language, swap it for sweet paprika. Then here comes the real crisp maker: 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Add 3/4 teaspoon of oregano, and finish it off with 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Mix it all together until it looks like a sunset in a bowl. Then coat your chicken wings generously, making sure each piece is fully dressed in this spice mix. Next, arrange them on a baking rack. Give them space because wings need room to crisp up. Into a preheated oven they go, 180 degrees Celsius, until they're golden, sizzling, and calling your name. Mine were ready in about 15 to 20 minutes, but every oven has its personality, so keep an eye on them. Now for the grand secret. Melt a 1/4 cup of butter, liquid gold, really. If there are any pan juices left from baking, whisk them right into the butter. That's flavor you don't want to waste. Pour this silky mixture over your baked wings and toss them gently, letting every piece soak up that buttery goodness. The finale, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice over the top. And there you have it, wings that are crispy, juicy, and utterly irresistible. Once you try them, you'll understand why I can never stop at just one. Until next time, keep your kitchen warm and your plates full. Take care and happy cooking.